Hi Glenn, this is Josh out at Encore Mustang Parts. I wanted to show you these two pieces before I remove them from the vehicle so you can see that they are factory installed and they're going to take form when you bolt them back up. This is the two pieces I want to show you that go between the tires. So the front piece here is in really good condition. I don't see any cracks or even rub marks or missing paint, except for maybe where some rocks got to it. But these mounting tabs are all solid. They're obviously going to be solid behind here as well. That one's intact. There's no scuffs or gouges. I don't see any exposed yellow vinyl from damage. Obviously this car is a little rough and rotty, but your urethane parts that are coming from it are in excellent condition. This is all nice and straight across the top. The urethane, not the vehicle. Oops, the urethane, not the vehicle. It's very straight there. I imagine when it goes back to get paint, that's going to come back fine. I don't even want to mess with this stuff. It's in really good shape. I mean, obviously you can see it's still on the car. That was my preferred way to get you these grade A parts. Sometimes when they sit in the warehouse or anywhere, they can take a little deformation. This part's been off. I think that's a new screw, but the mount tab is fully there. The mount tab on the bottom is fully there. This has never been rubbed with a tire. And here's another angle. That louver under the door is very straight. It's not warped or wavy. It's just on a crappy car. So before I remove these, I wanted you to see what they look like installed on a crappy car. They even don't look too bad here. But going across the bottom, I saw one just like hairline fracture in a bolt hole. It's not that one. This is on the piece in front of the tire. There's a screw missing here where they share. The short piece and the long piece share, but the tabs are there. There's just no screw. I think it's this one right here. Yeah, there's just a little hairline fracture, it looks like, in the paint there, probably down into the urethane, but there's no tab material missing. And then going all the way down, the rest of the tabs are good. So if you could please let me know if you need any more pictures or videos or anything like that before I go pull these. But these are the two that I want to pull for this part of the system, and then I got a boatload of the ones behind the tire. Just want to make sure I get this approved